see, it's got a really fine rust particles. And if you look at these, they're like little spores. They come out, they sit on the surface, and they spread out. And that's what makes the roof look brown. Even though there's, it looks like the roof is totally rusted, you can actually sand this back down to get to paint and then polish the paint. Now here's where I've sanded it with some 1000 grit and then taken the buffer to it. Now you can still see the little imperfections where the rust was, but it gives you the color, it gives you the shine, and that's not bad looking patina. So the next process here is we're gonna sand this whole roof off, and we're gonna make the whole roof look like that.
I felt pretty fortunate being able to find a 1959 Impala Sport Coupe here in St. Petersburg, Florida, with 54,000 original miles, original paint, tucked away in a garage for over 25 years. The owner had taken it in, disassembled it, and was preparing to paint it, and I'm glad he stopped, because what he didn't do was damage further the original paint. I was able to sand and buff, clean, polish this car back to the way you see it in this video, and I think it came out spectacularly. This car is going to be going to California, where it's going to pretty much be a star out there on the West Coast. It's been a pleasure to work on it, and I hope I get the opportunity to do a similar car in the future.
It is always a tremendous pleasure to be able to showcase these beautiful classical cars. I enjoyed making these videos for you, so please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.